So here I roll with pro MMA fighter Patrick Connors. Congratulations to him on his last fight. He won by rear naked choke. So Patrick shoots for a takedown. I sprawled, then he posts his foot and left arm up as he kicks his left leg forward, belly up, getting right underneath me, and turns into me and scores a takedown. I knew he had me, so instead of fighting and wasting energy, I looked for the guillotine. Patrick shoots his arm over my shoulder to defend, so I flipped him over with my butterfly hooks. I didn't post and balance in time, so Patrick rolled me back over. From the seated guard, I worked my arm drag into the single leg followed by the double. I fall into Patrick's guard and work to stand back up to break open the guard. Once I stood and broke open the guard, I pushed his left shin down and backstepped into my knee bar. Patrick puts up a good fight, but once I was able to straighten his leg with my body, I got the tap. Patrick gets the Russian twist on my arm here, and as I pulled away, he shoots for a single. I turn away and push the head down to escape. Then Patrick transitions into a beautiful inside leg trip to ankle pick. From open guard, I work my De La Riva guard, but Patrick quickly does the same backstep and gets me back with a knee bar. Here I shot for the double. Patrick stuffs it with double underhooks and transitions into the body lock. When my opponent has the body lock, my favorite counter is the hip throw. I was unable to land the takedown here, but it should have looked like this. Patrick finishes the body lock takedown and gets my back. I try to stand back up to look for some sort of rolling knee bar, but Patrick drags me down. As he dragged me down, he lost his right hook, and with the knee bar on my mind, I was already keeping my butt over his thigh and attacked for the knee bar. This time to finish, I tucked the foot under my armpit and triangled my legs. Patrick gets another body lock, steps behind me with his right leg and trips me. As I try to shrimp to guard, he steps over and catches me with a head and arm triangle. To finish, he needed to free his leg by stepping on my thigh with his free leg and landing into side control.
How's it going?
I failed Imanari roll. Again, this is what it should have looked like. And Patrick shoots for the guillotine, and I sweep him with the same butterfly hooks. I get the Russian twist on his arm this time, and as he pulled back, I shot for my double leg. From here, I'm controlling Patrick's wrist, but he uses that to his advantage and controls my wrist as well. He pushes my arm into my chest as he shrimps to his left and throws his left leg over my shoulder. He hooks my leg to prevent me from posturing up and sweeps me, getting on top and finishing the triangle. A failed arm drag attempt here, and Patrick shoots again. I sprawled and into my snap down position. I looked for the guillotine again, but failed and swept him with the butterfly sweep, but we scrambled back into the same position. From the clinch here, you can see that Patrick drops his right hand down, so I capitalized on that opportunity and jumped up as I threw my left leg over his shoulder and into a flying triangle. You can't see from this angle, but his arm was straight, so instead of the triangle, I threw my right leg over his neck and into an armbar for the finish. So guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. And if you really love my work and want to continue supporting it, send me a super thanks by hitting that donation button below. Now, before you go, if you want to learn thousands of striking and grappling techniques, be instructed on how to drill these specific techniques in different situations, as well as how long you should be drilling, you'll want to check out my MMA Go program. You will get access to 4 follow-on classes a week, 2 striking and 2 grappling technique and conditioning classes, as well as a bonus session. I put everything I know in this program, and it's an ongoing membership, so new techniques I'm currently learning will be added. Find out more information in the description box below.